Something that breaks my heart is when people might come here and we might not be able to serve all of their needs because of the limits that we have, the space that we have.
That's what this building program is about. It's really a lot more than just raising a building. It's a lot more about ensuring that there will be poverty alleviation happening into the future here in Canby.
If we weren't able to take this step in expanding our facilities, we would actually not be in a sustainable place as an organization within the next year.
The capital campaign means that we'll be able to open our doors to more people and we'll be able to offer more services to the community. The capital campaign means hope will continue to grow.
A new building for us in the program world and the things that we get to do here at the Canby Center, it means that there's always space for you.